Someone sent me in the comments to a burping contest with my brother, so now Callum's gonna burp. He's quite rubbish at burping, so he's a bit crappy. Now it's my turn. Sorry if you're not being very good at burping, but I just ate something, so I can't really burp. Right, I'm gonna try once more now. Callum's gone.